Laying the stones fast, building the oven dome now, tiling the counter, connecting the sink. Kitchen's ready!
Bed frame to the back, let's go. Got it, moving fast. Sofa in place, armoire next. Rug coming down, watch the edges. Lamps on the tables, perfect. All set, looks warm and inviting. To this beautiful evening.
And to new friends.
Salute! Salutes!
Buongiorno amore mio.
Buongiorno cara perfetto.
Guarda come volano gli uccelli.
È un paradiso qui.
These herbs are growing so fast.
Perfect for the kitchen.
The aromas are calling us.
Our villa is thriving.
Look how fast the stars are moving.
It's incredible. Let me get the telescope.
Oh wow, a shooting star.
Whoa, did you see that?
This is magical.
The rain is really coming down now.
It's beautiful. So cozy in here.
More wine?
Yes, please. To us. Guardate come fiorisce!
Che meraviglia! Potiamo con cura!
Inhale, rise up.
Exhale, fold.
Step back, warrior one.
Open up, warrior two.
Snap.
Benvenuti! Welcome to the villa!
Grazie mille, it's beautiful.
I will take your luggage, signore. Thank you, my good man.
Pasta's almost ready.
Sauce smells amazing.
Pizza's in. To us.
Salute!
I do.
I do.
With this ring.
With this ring.
To love. Cheers, congratulations.
Family, let's pick these olives.
Okay, let's do it.
I remember your father pressing olives here, a family tradition.
To the villa, our legacy. To the villa.
Villa complete and ready for generations of Mediterranean living, sun-drenched days, starlit nights, and hillside peace.